Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to add the Web Report Designer to a React application. I've provided a link in the description for the steps in this video so you can follow along. The Report Designer is a web-based what you see is what you get reporting tool for creating and editing RDL and RDLC reports. It comes with a wide range of reporting options to transform data into meaningful information and quickly build business reports. Integrating the Report Designer into a React application enables you to create, edit, and design the report within the application. Before getting into the process, make sure your development environment includes Node.js version 8 or above, NPM version 3 or above. First, let me install Create React App. Create React App is a simple way to make a single-page React application with no configuration. Run this command in the command prompt to install Create React App globally. Now, let me create a new React application. To do so, I'll run this command in the command prompt. The Create React App command adds React, React DOM, React scripts, and other dependencies required for your React application. Now, let me install the Create React class package. Bold Reports Web Report Designer depends on Create React class, which is a way of defining React components. First, I'll change to the directory of the application's root folder by running this command. To install the type definitions for Create React class, I'll run this command in the command prompt. Next, let me install the Bold Reports React package. To install the Bold Reports React package, I'll run this command. You can use any editor, but for this demo, I'll open the folder in Visual Studio Code. Bold reports need a window.jQuery object to render the React components. Let me create a new file in the src folder and name it globals.js. Then I'll import jQuery into this file. Similarly, I import the React library for building user interfaces, the Create React class library for defining components with a legacy API, and the React DOM library for rendering those components in the DOM. By assigning these imports to global variables, I'm ensuring that they are accessible throughout the application or in the browser console without needing to be imported repeatedly. Open the index.js file and add a reference to the globals.js file to configure the global settings and dependencies which are required for the Bold Reports Web Report Designer to function properly. Next, let me add the Report Designer component. The Bold Report Designer script and style files need to be imported. Open the app.js file and import the necessary script files to render the Report Designer control. Then I declare the designer style variable and assign the width and size for the Report Designer control. Next, I add a div element which serve as the container for the Bold Report Designer on the web page. Inside this div, I add the Bold Report Designer component tag to render the Report Designer. In this tag, I include the ID attribute and assign the value Report Designer container, which specifies a unique identifier for the HTML element. Next, I'll initialize the Web API service in the application. I add the service URL API parameters with its respective value. The service URL, set to localhost, indicates that the service is running locally on the same machine as the application. The API Report Designer path is the API endpoint for the Report Designer service. I've included a link to a video about using the ASP.NET Core Web API reporting service in this video's description. Now, everything is ready to load the Report Designer. Run the application, and you'll see the Report Designer control loaded in the browser. Here, you can add some report items and download the report as an RDL file. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.